Hi, it's Cole from Printer. Okay, now I've wired out everything except for my high end, which I've got to still assemble, which is an E3D version 5 high end. So I've just got to do that last bit of tightening if you've ever got to add one. But uploaded my firmware, the Marlin to my ramps board, got all the wires set up I think, and so this should be my first test. So I'm going to power up and hopefully not go bang. Here we go. Okay. As we go into front face. Oh, that's very nice. Okay, let's do the Z motion, see what we get. That's not good. One's not got enough power. Oh, mind you, I tightened up the couplings. Okay, let's just try. No, that's not happening. Let's try a wide bed. Oh, we've got some nice motion on the wide bed. So it's just stuck. We need that motion in the wide bed. So as you can see, I've still got a hell of a lot of work to do. We're making noises, so the motors are getting power to. Not sure. And I think the Z. Not sure what's happening there. Alright, so let's work out the temperatures on, see if the heat bed heats up. Obviously guys, you know, I posted on, if you're from my Facebook, this heat bed on the Facebook. Let's see, this is not working. Oh no, it's heating up. yeah, pretty much the same sort of speed as on my Prusa. It takes a while to get there, so I just imagine it'll be pretty good to hold it. So now I've got the heat bed working, and that's one step forward in the right direction. Now I'm just going to heat up my E3D version 5 hot end, and then do the last item, and then I can connect that to it. And then try and work out why my axes ain't working, because obviously I've got power going to them. Perhaps it just isn't plumb enough. And I did have some nice movement on my wire until we only got so far back, and then it starts misbehaving. Yeah, so it goes so far back, so something hit somewhere along the lines, something's snagging, but it's all clear. It's weird. Yeah, it stops about there. My heat bed is heating up really nicely. And we've got fire. Let's turn this off. Power down. Where's it? She shut down. We're shorting out somewhere. Whew. Well, first attempt, have a fire. If anybody can see anything I'm doing wrong or can suggest any things, obviously I'm working on a Ramps 1.4 and I have a meltdown. It's overheating. Whew, lovely burny smell. Okay, thanks guys.